Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Car Look. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom, a car that redefines what it means to travel in style. As we enter this pristine white showroom, the Phantom immediately grabs your attention with its bold and sleek design. Every inch of this masterpiece exudes sophistication and elegance, from its aerodynamic lines to its meticulously crafted accents. Starting at the front, the iconic Rolls-Royce grille is flanked by cutting-edge LED headlights, giving the Phantom a commanding presence. The spirit of ecstasy, glistening atop the hood, symbolizes the timeless elegance and innovative spirit of the brand. Moving along to the side, the aerodynamic profile and polished wheels highlight the car's seamless flow and luxurious appeal. The side mirrors and door handles are crafted to blend perfectly into the vehicle's sleek silhouette, emphasizing the meticulous engineering behind this beauty. Now, let's step inside the Phantom, where the real magic happens. The interior is nothing short of a sanctuary, with the finest materials and state-of-the-art technology at your fingertips. The seats, upholstered in the softest leather, provide unmatched comfort, while the ambient lighting creates an atmosphere of tranquility. The dashboard is a marvel of modern design, featuring a large, high-definition display that integrates seamlessly with the car's infotainment system. The rear seats are equally impressive, offering a spacious and luxurious environment for passengers. With features like adjustable seats, a built-in entertainment system, and even a mini fridge, the Phantom ensures that every journey is as enjoyable as the destination. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the interior, from the handcrafted wood trim to the precisely stitched upholstery. As we move to the rear of the Phantom, the elegance continues with sleek, streamlined tail lights and dual exhaust tips that hint at the car's powerful capabilities. The trunk, adorned with the Rolls-Royce emblem, offers ample space and convenience, perfect for any occasion. In conclusion, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom is the epitome of luxury and cutting-edge technology. It's a car that promises an extraordinary driving experience, combining timeless elegance with modern innovation. This tour of the future of automotive luxury. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive content. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.